normally start from airport to city. You can take two options. One is fly to get, which is 200 krones but is 20-minute frequency, or local train, which is 118 krones and let's say half an hour or 40 minutes kind of frequency. And also remember, the local train ticket is valid for zone 1 of the Oslo, the 2 hours from the time of activation. Attractions are at a walkable distance, but you can take the local transport for 40 krones. And this is a hostel. It's called Anchor Hostel. Like, I'm sharing it with the 4 people. So it's a nice accommodation which offers you inbuilt washroom and also inbuilt kitchen. That's pretty convenient, with also a fridge. This thing costed me like close to 50 euros per night, which is pretty good for this price. And this is the rooftop of our hostel. So we are back again in Oslo. I thought just to spend a day roaming around in city and complete our Oslo itinerary. This is the Parliament building I was mentioning earlier about. Our first stop is Norway Royal Palace, which is in pretty decent condition. You can often see the royal guards guarding it, and they do a little parades from time to time. Everything here is royalty, even the street lights. So these are the part of the royal garden. These parks offer also a nice picnic spot in the middle of Oslo, which is pretty different vibe. All around the Norway you can find this telephone booth, kind of preserve things, and over here they use it as a book exchange, which is pretty awesome. So now we are at the Vineland Park, like it's known for the Gustav's work of sculptures and with some live music. So if you're into sculptures and modern art, this is the place for you. We're gonna look around here for some time. Let's see. Them are really fascinating. Not even understand what the hell is happening. And this one is pretty nice. Yeah, angry baby. Maybe it's a biking. A nice park. I think I'm gonna chill here for a while. This is one of the main attractions over here. It's called Monolithen, to demonstrate a lot of Gustav work clubbed together. And a sunny day in Oslo, which is kind of a luxury. Although Oslo has a great variety of museums that you can also check out if you love more of a culture. For me, this day is just chilling around before I catch my flight. This area is pretty famous for local hangout and a place where people in Oslo enjoy the beach life. So this is what we called an Oslo beach. The final stop of the day is Oslo Opera House. On the opposite side of the Opera House, you can also enjoy a bunch of the saunas, let's say a cloudy weather. It's a really fascinating structure. It's made out of Italian granite with open windows. You can also take a peek inside. You can also walk on the roof of it, and on sunny days you can capture a really nice sunset along with the cityscape. And right next to it, you can also find a ever-changing art sculpture pretty famous. You should also check it out. So now we are at this old village and we are having a breakfast. Cinnamon rolls with Starbucks. Damstredet, known for its quaint houses. If you are only visiting Oslo, so this might be a nice idea for you to see some quaint houses. If you are also visiting countryside of Norway, you'll find them pretty much everywhere. So you can also skip this part. But if you like architecture and seeing the old Norse houses, I think you will definitely enjoy this part. And now we are at another street that is called Telthusbaken, another with the quaint houses. On this particular street, there are quaint houses only on the one side of street, and the other side is bunch of gardens and small farms. If you see back of me, you can find this canal close to the previous street. It's a pretty good spot for an evening walk. And now we are at this place with a lot of bit graffitis and a nice vibe if you're looking for night cafes. If you're looking for the spot, believe me, I think this can be a really good one. Subway is one of the cheapest fast food places in the Oslo. The 15 centimeter sub only costed me 49 crowns. After having a lunch, now we are at Akershus Lake, and this is sort of a downtown area for Oslo. So one of the stores that you cannot find in Milan. Buy all your camping and sports supplies, you can use this store called Double XL, and I'm going to buy some camping supplies for you. Now we are at the Akershus Castle. I'm really bad with the names. And this is a Norwegian castle built in 1624 by Christian IV, offering nice cityscapes. Looks like a public auditorium. And this place also has free toilets. That's what I was looking for. This place also has its charms. This is like pretty cool spot to sit and see the ships. And next we are going to that spot. Aker Brygge, also the ferry port of Oslo. We also have washroom, free washroom inside this Aker Brygge. They're quite convenient if you are at this beachside. Aker Brygge is also one of the spots for Oslo nightlife. So this is one of the sauna, and we are thinking to end our day by trying this for first time. Finally, it's so for the best. It is still open because I'm really late.
Sweden.
This is a sauna. Pretty crazy.
Yeah, you're totally.
What's it called?
Feels really nice after coming from inside. Do remember to bring some towels, water bottles and swimsuit with you. And if you come during the sunset, you can actually catch the views from inside of the sauna. So this was our Oslo series, and our Norway adventure continues.